So, ladies and gentlemen, we're moving to Category 4. That is our next award, projects with a value of between $20 and $100 million. The highly commended award goes to HEB Construction and McConnell Dowell, Building Better, Not Bigger, Pukekohe Wastewater Treatment Plant.
HEB Construction and McConnell Dowell for Building Better, Not Bigger, Pukekohe Wastewater Treatment Plant. Features of this project included a high level of complexity of both the build and of working in a live operational environment, the sequencing required to meet the discharge requirements due to go live in October 2021, and an accelerated timeframe due to high population growth in the catchment. The project also highlighted the strong relationships fostered between all parties.
I'm not so sure about holding these things every 2 years because, gee, there's a lot of good projects up there when we come around. And it's thanks to CCNZ, thanks to Hirepool, and thanks to Miriama for steering us through the night. But, mostly thanks to the team we had on this job. We put the joint venture together probably 7 years ago now, and we built some great infrastructure. And it's been about that team. It's been about McConnell Dowell, HEB, Watercare and Beca, all working together to deliver some great projects. And, that's the success, us working together to deliver those. So, thanks to everyone.